Talaga maiwasan kahit na ayaw kong sabihin because it always refers to how I became an appointed son of God. Pero sasabihin ko na lang sa inyo kung ano ang naging training ko. At marami na rin nakakalam sa inyo kung paano ako'y destinado sa buhay na to. I did not choose this life. You did not choose the life that you have today. But John 15:16 says, the Lord God says, you have not chosen me, but I have chosen you, so that you may go, bring forth fruit, and that your fruit shall remain. So, I have not chosen this kind of life. You have not chosen this kind of life. We did not know about this life.